Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to talk about how you can boost your credit score using your monthly subscriptions, just like Netflix, Hulu, and even your phone bill. So let's go and get started. And again, I just want to make sure that you guys know I'm not an affiliate or I'm not getting sponsored by this company. It's just something that I've done on my own research. So the website that we'll be talking about is called GrowCredit. Now, again, I did this on my own research. I actually was seeing them on Instagram, and it's something that I actually really think that it will be a great opportunity for a lot of people who are looking to boost their credit score or even own their own credit repair agency and can provide this to their clients. Now, before I continue, as a disclaimer, this is just a way to boost your credit score. So if you have like collection accounts, negative items, you want to make sure that get that taken care of first before you start fixing your credit, because there's no reason to raise your credit score if you haven't fixed the negative items or collection accounts or any other type of fees that you owe. So let's go and continue. As you can see, they are currently sponsored with creditcards.com, TechCrunch, and Bloomberg. And you can see that they do also have a mobile app for Android and Apple as well. So I want to just kind of go over the website with you guys. I'm going to be providing that website in the link in the description below. And again, I'm not an affiliate, nor am I sponsored by this company. So GoCredit allows you to basically use your reoccurring subscriptions like your Netflix, your Disney Plus, or your HBO accounts and report it as a on-time payment to the three national credit bureaus. What happens is GrowCredit provides you with a MasterCard installment loan. They pay the subscriptions and then you pay off the loan on a monthly basis. And that's how they report it to the three national credit agencies. In order to get set up with the company, it's going to just take a very few easy steps and it takes about 5 minutes. I'm also going to be signing up with them as well after the video, and I'll be following up with you guys in about a month or so with an update on my account as well. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is just get your account set up completely for free. You need to connect a bank account in order to apply with their interest-free MasterCard. So, and make sure that you have that with you. Now, the second thing you're going to want to do is add your subscriptions. So, again, add your Netflix account. I have Netflix and I have HBO Max. Don't judge me. So, make sure you add your subscriptions. Then you're going to obviously everything's going to be automated. So, once they pay off the subscriptions for the month, they're going to bill you as well on your bank account, and you're going to start seeing your credit score go up as well. So, you see here that there are no hidden fees, no credit required. It's going to be a monthly spending limit of $17 on their free plan. And then once you start going, once you want to start adding more subscriptions, which is still in beta phase, they're going to have a $50 monthly spending limit and allows you to get access to premium subscriptions and also a 12-month renewable contract with your free FICO score. And that's going to be for $4.99 a month. Then if you want to start using like your phone bill or anything like that, you can start with the 150 monthly spending limit, and that's going to be for $9.99 a month. And again, they're not out yet since this company is still in beta phase, so I recommend just to start out with the build membership free plan, and I'm going to be doing an update on my account as well with you guys. So that's basically, I just wanted to go over that with you guys and give you some information. If you're a credit repair agency, you can provide this to your customers or even people that you just have a free consultation with. And if you're just looking to fix your own credit, I definitely recommend in order to boost your credit score, once you have fixed it, this is a great way to start establishing some good positive trade lines. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and let me know any of your questions. And if you're looking to start a credit repair agency on your own, I have a free training below in the link in the description. Go ahead and check that out. And I'll see you guys on the next one.